My name is Rosana Gonzalez. I'm a faculty at the Yale School of Medicine, and along with my colleague from the School of Nursing, Dr. Robin Whitmore, I've been here. It's been my pleasure to spend 4 days at the University of La Sabana with an excellent group of nursing practicing and faculty, and they have welcomed us to our workshop to design interventions in nursing to improve health outcomes. The project that we brought here is an professional and very collaborative approach to teaching. We mixed theory with practice. We were able to see the rapid activations of teams of nurses that came from different parts of Colombia, but also from different parts of Latin America, like Panama and Mexico. I decided to join Robin in our teaching in these workshops after our very first experience in Monterrey, where we met faculty from La Sabana, and they were so amazingly welcoming and interested in our teaching method that when they invited us, we jumped to the opportunity to join. My perception of the University of La Sabana is that there's a very open space with a fantastic colonial look in the middle of the mountains. We were told that it was going to be cold, and in fact, we've been treated with wonderful weather. We've been treated every morning with clouds that decorate this beautiful sky, and we've been really pleased with how welcoming everyone is, how caring, how devoted to well-being and interprofessional and international collaboration. We were able to meet not only with our participants and our leaders in the nursing school, but also the dean and the representatives from the international center, making us feel really, really at home.